AI builders are amazing at creating websites fast, but there's only one problem. Most clients, agencies, and businesses still need their final site in WordPress. So instead of rebuilding everything manually, today I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to convert it into a WordPress theme using WPConvert.ai. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so here's a website I built in Lovable. You can convert any AI builder such as Claude, Cursor, Replit, Base44, whichever AI builder you built it in, just as long as you can export the source file on here. So this is a website that I built for a client. You can see the different sections on here. It has a menu, has also like pricing and FAQs, right? So what you want to do first is you want to first export this. Usually with Lovable, you have to connect it with your GitHub. So I'll show you that here. Okay, so I've imported it into GitHub here. What you want to do is click code, click download zip. Once it downloads, you want to go ahead and go to WPConvert.ai. Okay, so this is WPConvert.ai, the website. You can check it out. So what you want to go ahead and do is log in. Okay, so once you're logged into WPConvert.ai, you'll be here on the dashboard. And this is where you are going to upload the zip file that you just downloaded. So let's go ahead and upload the zip file here. Select conversion type, click Lovable, and go ahead and start conversion. Now, what the AI is going to do, it's going to essentially take your source website file and convert it into .php files, menus, footers, everything that's standard for a WordPress theme. So let's I'll resume back once it finishes converting here. Okay, it's finishing up here. So once it finishes, it'll give you a conversion summary, a screenshot of your WordPress theme size. And what you want to do here is go ahead and preview in WordPress. So this loads your theme in WordPress Playground. Essentially, this is by WordPress itself, so you could test sites locally. So we'll go ahead and spin this up here. And we'll check out this site. Let's make sure everything looks good. We got the menus here. Obviously, it's being blocked by this, but it'll look correct on in the actual site. And then you can see it all here. We have, okay, this looks good. This changes. Let's check the FAQs. Okay, so everything looks good. When you're previewing your WordPress theme, if anything looks off, do not worry. There's easy ways to fix it using ChatGPT, or reach out to us at support@WPConvert.ai. So now we're going to go ahead and load it into WordPress. So go ahead and click X, click download theme file. It'll give you a quick tooltip getting started, kind of what to do here. So let's go ahead and go to WordPress. Okay, so now we're in my WordPress account. What you want to do here is go to Appearance, Themes. Go ahead and add new theme. You're going to upload. You're going to choose the file. So let's go ahead and choose the file here, Inbox Theme, Install. So once it installs, go ahead and click Activate. Okay, it's activated, so let's go ahead and visit site. Okay, you can see it's all there. Looks just like the Lovable built site that I had. Everything in there, all the pages, all the transitions and animations. And so, yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment what you think. And if you have any issues, reach out to me at support@WPConvert.ai. I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.